guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Nora, but you guys can call me Tanner, and I'm back with a new vlog. And before we get into it, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Don't forget to press the bell so that you get notified every time I post. It's a new week, it's a new vlog. I'm sick, I'm missing, and I need to do what I love doing because I'm sick. I'm going to Pep Home. I need to find something at Pep Home because I'm not sure. At least I must die the hip. So yeah, I'm going to Pep Home to find some cute stuff. That's why I'm opening this vlog. So this is a new vlog for the next week. I'm gonna vlog that. So yeah, come with me as I go and do things that I'm not supposed to be doing. But yeah, I'm going to use my limited because I didn't go. So yeah, let me get dressed and we shall go. I'm gonna look better.
Hey guys, Tanya and I are going to promenade. So I just wanted to show you guys my OOTD. I've got this gym set. I got it. Where did I get it? I got it at Belleville. Guess I got this at Belleville. Not sure if you guys can see me. And then I'm wearing Crocs. I don't know if we're going to run errands or we're going to Pobodla Imali, but I'm up for it. And I've got my watch from Stearns. These are from Shein. And I'm rocking my natural hair today. No wig for today. And we are taking you guys with us. Baby does not want to do OOTD with me, but it's fine. I'm here for it. See you guys later. I like this.
I am forced to do an OOTD, and I hate the OOTDs. Well, just a business. I'm wearing a t-shirt from Mr. Price and pair pants as well from Mr. Price, and my expensive takes from Shein, and I have a beanie from Exact, shades from Mr. Price. Mommy, that's about it. here because we actually see.
Look, it's the ice cream. I need space for it.
Why did you buy it?
And I know that I'm trying to
Very much 100%.
What they were putting in the fridge.
Confidence really looking at. So someone got an ice cream, waffle ice cream. Ngokumxaki ingathi uphethe umntana omncinci ozosuka esibhedlela ogqiba uzalwa.
Oh, like dinner, like something.
Futhi more ithito le.
It's very nice. It looks beautiful.
It does look beautiful.
And then we take on
Should I thing him? Feeling better. That's a lie. But hi, hello. I am feeling not better, but I got some home stuff. So shopping for home stuff makes me feel good internally. So internally I'm feeling good, but physically I'm still feeling fucked. So let's do a haul. So I went to Pep Street, as well as Mr. Price Home. So let's start with Pep Home. So Pep Home, this first packet, I went there twice. So in Slovakia, I couldn't get what I wanted, and then I only bought like a few things. Because I was looking for plates, but I asked for money at place when there's Huna so I was going to check if Mr. Price Home Munazo or Ganyo check us pick and pay. But can't this month, so I had to go back to Pep. So this on this one I spent 211 rand 4 cents on this one. This is this plastic bag. And here we have something that I've always wanted, or that I've been wanting, which is basically a fruit basket. So I got a fruit basket for 70 rands. And then I went back for the plates. Not sure if I really like them, but they're not far from what I want. So I'm gonna order. Shit, I didn't see that they are like this. Hopefully I soak. So I got those plates. They are whitish. So I got about 4 of them. Each was 35 rand. So it's these plates. Need to wash them. So I have 4 of those. So I wanted black. So I have 4 of those in white color. So that's about it on the first plastic bag. And then the second one, which is this. Guys, I'm still waiting on a parcel. But I think it was gonna come today, but it did not. So I have the olive oil sprayer. So oleum sprayish. So this, and this was 29.99 rand, which is 30 rand. And then, so very exciting, I got a pot plant. It is black. have a little bit of lines. And this was $100. Yeah! Guys, in the wheel, I was rudely interrupted. Rudely.
It was not rudely interrupted.
I was interrupted. Rudely. Anyway, I have a salad bowl. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And this was 100 rand. Love it. My surprise home. I was not getting this. Yeah. Huh? Were they looking for plates and... Huh?
You can continue.
Oh. Were they looking for plates and I couldn't find the place, but we saw this mirror for our bathroom. So we got this small cute mirror. It was on sale for $9.99, which was 100 rand. I don't know how one was.
$9.99.
Yes.
$9.99.
99 rand 99.
That's 10 rand though.
I don't know what was the initial price.
It was 130 actually.
And then my favorite purchase of the day. This is from Street. And here I don't have bowls anymore because my shit disappeared. I got 4 pasta bowls. I like to believe it's pasta bowls, but I don't think it is, but yeah. Yeah, it's salad bowls. And they're on the color that I actually wanted. And all of them were a total of 174 plus a bottle of water. Huh?
I was just thinking of like 200.
A 140 rand. So each one was like 40 rand. And this is how the bowls look like. And these are my 4 bowls. Love them as well. So I need to also wash these. So basically that's about it for my haul. I am going to decant, that needs to be decanted on the stuff and then put wherever. I'm gonna put things away. Let me not complicate my life and say no one's about banditry. I'm gonna put this shit away and I'm gonna do that with you guys. So let's get started. I'll finish what. I came to Spar to fetch Imizazam, but I thought since I'm here, I might as well do some mini groceries. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And I didn't open this vlog. I just woke up and I left. So let's do some mini grocery shopping. And I'll see you guys at home. Modern, going over namhlanje, and I'm very happy because different macro. I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing. I haven't spoken on this vlog since the first day I actually opened it. Since the first day I opened it, and I've been doing quite a lot of things. I just came back from Uspa. Initially, I went there to fetch ipaselayam. I bought a few things that I didn't buy. And also I had to refill the fridge a little bit. So yeah, this is bar. So I got a nyama yahaku. I have a lot of nyama yahaku that I haven't even used nyama yahaku in the fridge. So yeah, we have a pork here which was 51 rand. I don't know why it was cheap. I hate sausages, right? But there's one sausage that I love very much. So I do know that my girlfriend once spoken about Ibapalaza and Dondon sausage, but I got this Ibapalaza sausage, Spa, and it was 40 rand. I do believe that baba, so I won't be eating it. And then my favorite sausage, my one and only that I eat after Mklabeni, this is Inyama Choma, the bucket, the small bucket, and this was 60 rand. And then because done by the song, so I saw this, it was already made, so this was 12 rand. I can't live without this baby, so I got this. And then because now I'm in a fruit basket, I will buy fruit every time I want a fruit. So I got some bananas, mili on, and then I also got some cake flour. So that's about it. I didn't do it, but not much. And then I am going to show you guys the start of the show. The reason why I had to go to a spa. I went to Korea, guys, to fetch ipasalayama. I bought some pots. Finally. And if you read the caption on the other clip, on the previous clip, I was cooking yesterday. I was making some Sunday lunch and I was using my ugly ass pots for the very last time. The last time I'm using those crappy pots, I'm throwing them away. I'm throwing them away. I bought those pots like 2 years ago at I take a lot, hate them, hate them, hate them, hate them. But this isn't Kobila, man. This isn't Kobila for good 2 years. But now it's time to say goodbye. So let me just remove everything here so that I can show you my pots. These are my babies. These are my babies. These are my babies. So initially these pots were 2K, but I've been wanting them. So a good wood for like 800 something, but I couldn't get to good wood because where I put wood imali and I can't even take it. It's even quite an Uber. So I've been checking take a lot. I was 800, like it was actually was a plus one because most 10% off, 20% off, but it's still the same price. It's like let me not buy them now, you know. And then the other day I decided to go to Google, search the pots, and then I saw, because there's one say all the stores that have them. Then I saw Gumakro. I went to the app. I went to that thing. I clicked on that option, Gumakro. Then it took me to the app. So I downloaded the app. Once you have the app, they were 2K, and then I got them for 744, and they were delivered by courier guy, Korea, Papa Elan in Mandela Park on Friday last week. So I saw the message later because I was sleeping. So I went to fetch them today. I've been, not Friday, Saturday. So I've been wanting to go fetch them. So let's do a little bit of an unboxing. I need to take a picture first, and then I'm going to show you guys what I have in here. I am so happy.
I could be the twister, make you stop, the icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find some space. I could be the words.
Care and goose. So this is number one. I got to believe this is a pan because of its structure, so it makes sense if it's a pan. I don't know why I'm still wearing shoes because I got shoes. There's a heat wave today, this week actually. Ooh. Oh, it's a wrong color, but it's fine. I thought I bought black. Oh, this is black actually. So this is the first one. It looks so nice. Ooh, it comes with what do you call it? It's a glove. I don't know what's the name, but it comes with this thing. I didn't have this, and I bake a lot, so I needed this. I needed it. So thank you, Macro, for that. So this is pot number 2. I'd like to believe this is the small one. This is the lid. Oh, this is nice. And this is the actual potato. How gorgeous is this? This is so beautiful. This is the small one. And this is the middle one. We have a lid again. It's a leopard. I don't know. Oh, cooking content is coming. Cooking content is coming, Sana. The This is the pot. Very good. Roast one, it is the beef one. In here, there is the lid. And then this is the actual pot. Oh, I am so happy about the purchase. I'm happy that for the fact that I actually waited this long. I am happy. Yeah. Am I happy? Am I happy? I am happy. Anyway, I am done. I need to pack those things away, and yeah, I need to put those things away. I'm gonna do this with you guys and then finish editing this video, and then after that I am done with this vlog. Should I close it now? I think I should. No, let me not close it now. Let me pack things away, and then I'm gonna come back later to close the vlog. Anyway, you guys, I am actually done. I need to clean, and not even clean because there's not much to do. But clean a little before the lale. So what I'm going to do now is just wipe and clean where I was actually working right now. And then I start my shift. So now you shift I'm changing. I'm no longer working 5-2. I'm working for 1. And the time now is what's my other phone? Now is 16 minutes past 3. So I am going to get ready for my shift. I need to make some food or still I've had this headache since yesterday. So yeah, I am going to clean, make myself some food, do my workstation, and then the seventh. So guys, this is the end of this week's vlog. But this far, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really appreciate you watching my content. I know that I'm not doing much, but I am trying my best. And also, as I've said before, that I am trying to be true, to be myself as much as possible. I'm a homebody. The one thing that I love doing the most is shopping, home stuff shopping. So there's not much that I can, there's not much that I do outside of that, you know. So my channel is based on my life and what I do. And what I do is being at home, cleaning, cooking, purchasing home stuff, creating this space that I'm trying to move out of because I want a bigger space. But yeah, I'm trying to be honest, and I'm not trying to live a life that I do not have just for the sake of content. I'm very much content. Did you see that? Did you see that? I don't want to create things. I don't want to do things for the sake of content. Yes, I do go out here and there. Yes, I go out and eat here and there. And all, yeah, but it's not something that happens all the time. I have a trip coming up. Yes, we're going to be vlogging that. You know, and now I'm going to be off weekends. I'm going to have more time with my girlfriend because my girlfriend doesn't work weekends. She works one weekend. Actually, not going to work weekends at all because she's a trainer. So I'm going to have more time with my girlfriend. And there's more to do on the weekends than Pagateveki, you know. So I guess I'm going to be doing things outside of this place. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Don't forget to press the bell so that you get notified every time I